Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And somebody asked me a question about the redesign of Chrome and the fact that he seems to see that it's being pushed on his Brave browser and wondering if it's normal. And I've seen a couple of posts with this. Some users are complaining that the new redesigned Google Chrome UI or user interface is slowly being adopted on other browsers. And the thing is, I think it has to do with the fact that Chromium has a set of features and of settings that are just going on to other browsers because they're all based on it. So, yes, it's possible that without the browser itself, or whoever makes the UI around the browser, like on Microsoft Edge, for example, that you see some of the redesign and some of the new looks and feel of Chromium peek through it, even though it has its own interface. And I've seen quite a few people saying that they have the impression that it's happened on some of their systems. Because what's happening right now is that there's a new redesigned look and feel for Google Chrome and the Chromium browser in general. And what happens is that this is still optional for most, but will eventually become the standard. So the new look of the UI, the user interface, will be standard for everybody at some point this year, and you won't be able to go back. For my part, I like it. I like the fact that it's kind of more modern, and it probably will seep into some areas of other browsers, like the Microsoft Edge browser, Brave, and so on. So if you see the little changes here and there that you're wondering where they're coming from, I would guess that it might be the user interface seeping through, because some of the settings and some of the changes in Chromium will just be pushed through other browser or Chromium-based browsers, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.